Hi, everyone. It's Mrs. Kamrath, and I thought I'd read you the book called The Rain Train. Since we had so much rain these past few days, I thought this would be a fun book for us to read together. I will try my best to show you the pictures and to be able to read it to you. When the rain fingers drum out a dance on the pane, when the windows are foggy enough for my name, a pitter pat pat, a pitter pat pat, a pittery 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 pat. When it's thundering down on the roof in the lane, from the storm comes the call. All aboard the rain train. Glide from the platform. Shh. Slow through the station. Shh. Shh. Tickets, please. Clippity clip. Close all the windows. Spitter spat spit. Past lighted houses, clackety clack. Out of the city, shackety shack. Gathering speed, a ratter tat tat. Into the black, a clatter clack clat. The ting of the rain, ping it a pang, and the cling of the crossings, cling it a clang. Over the bridge, whooshity wish, racing the moon, swishity swish. Whistle past rivers, whoosh through the tunnels, roar down the plains, and all of the time, always the same. The wail of the wind, the sway of the train, the strum of the wheels to the beat of the rain, a pitter pat pat, a pitter pat pat, a pittery 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 pat. Storm past the stations, no one alights. Safe in my sleeper, I steam through the night. Shh, shh, shh. Good night.